boys ain't ready. Y'all boys ain't ready. Let's go.
BBB. Number one.
Yeah, man, we're gonna get this dog, man. Darkside, man.
Gotta sleep time, but people ain't waking up. In heaven, I know. It's like a California time how I go. And it's got you hurry up. I wanna put my nigga on me.
We got niggas going, boys. Yeah. We're gonna introduce these boys to the dark side, show them what we about.
You band that yonder.
And I don't know intro, cause I saw she a go on. Yo, hey you girl in the tight up skirt, you make me head swell till me blood vessel burst. Hey you girl in the tight up shorts, you speed up 10 more beats to me heart. Hey you girl in the tight up blouse, every time you pass me you get me aroused. Hey you girl in the jeans,
You band that yonder.
see what me mean when me go cactus, me can't enjoy myself, me unconscious. Me hide them a pulp out, cause me no stop loss. Girl you come first, man no stop loss. Hey, so why that I fi print out? Me a fi hide it in a me car wet tint out. Jeez, all the wine there make the whole of Main Street crew go crazy. God damn, you act like the sun and can't done. Every man see you well, want fi have fun. Well, to all you look sweet, it hard for me do it, but me have to give me girlfriend bun. Oh no, oh no. Hey, you girl in the tight up skirt, you make me head swell till me blood vessel burst. Hey, you girl in the tight up shorts, you speed up 10 more beats to me heart. Hey, you girl in the tight up blouse, every time you pass me you get me aroused. Hey, you girl in the jeans,
You band that yonder.
see what me mean? Oh no, I'm mad way in your latest, no skin your chest, tight up on your chest, have your body a grab way in your mini skirt and Versace shirt. Man brains are hurt and girlfriend trust me. Anytime you pass in your CK class, you a mash up me Raj every Tuesday night. Enough man all a fight, can't sleep at night. And me feel you a do it with spite. Hey, you girl in the tight up skirt, you make me head swell till me blood vessel burn. Hey, you girl in the tight up shorts, you speed up 10 more beats to me heart. Hey, you girl in the tight up blouse, every time you pass me you get me aroused. Hey, you girl in the jeans,
You band that yonder.
see what me mean?
Country boys came to play today, man.
Lyrics them drown ya, like the Queen of England them crown ya. And when you walk on the road up your calm and sound ya. Jesus, girl you hotty. Oh no, girl you sweet. Hey, you girl in the tight up skirt, you make me head swell till me blood vessel burst. Hey, you girl in the tight up shorts, you speed up 10 more beats to me heart. Hey, you girl in the tight up blouse, every time you pass me you get me aroused. Hey, you girl in the jeans,
You band that yonder.
see what me mean when me go cactus. Can't enjoy myself, me unconscious. The eye them a pulp out, come in a stop loss. Girl you come first, man no stop rush. Hey, so why that I fi print out? Me a fi hide it in a me car wet tint out. Jeez, all the wine there make the whole of Main Street crew go crazy. God damn, you act like the sun and can't done. Every man see you well, want fi have fun. Well, to all you look sweet, me not really want it, but you have to give me girlfriend bun. Oh no, hey girl, hey you girl in the tight up skirt, you make me head swell till me blood vessel burst. Hey you girl in the tight up shorts, you speed
See, to live is to suffer. To survive, well, that's to find meaning in the suffering.
Hey yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. Hey yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. Hey yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I got to get up. Get back on my feet so I can tear. Hey yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. Hey yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. Hey yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I got to get up. Get back on my feet so I can tear.
I've been through mad different phases, like mazes, to find my way. And now I know that happy days are not far away. If I'm strong enough, I'll live long enough to see my kids doing something more constructive with the time than bigs. I know because I've been there. now I'm in there. Sit back and look at what it took for me to get there. First came the drama with my mama. She got on some flash, so I split and said that I'ma be that seed that doesn't need much to succeed. Strapped with mad greed, a heart that doesn't bleed. I'm ready for the world, or at least I thought I was. Bagging when I caught a buzz, I'm thinking about how short I was. Going too fast, it wouldn't last, but yo, I couldn't tell. Group homes and institutions, prepare my for jail. They put me in a situation, forcing me to be a man when I was just learning to stand without a helping hand. Damn, was it my fault? Something I did to make a father leave his first kid at 7, doing my first bid. Back on the scene at 14 with a scheme to get more green than I'd ever seen in a dream. And by all means, I will be living high off the hog. And I never gave a fuck about much but my dog. That's the only I'd head off in my last. Just another little come on, headed nowhere fast.
Hey yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. Hey yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. Hey yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I got to get up. Get back on my feet so I can tear shit. Yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. Hey yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. Hey yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I got to get up. Get back on my feet so I can tear shit. That ain't the half. It gets worse as I get older. Actions become bolder. Heart got cold. Chip on my shoulder that I didn't touch. Didn't need a click, cause I scared it that much. One deep with the starting for kicks. Catching Vicks, throwing bricks. Getting by, being slick. Used to get high just to get by. Used to have to ball in the morning before I get fly. I ate something. Couple of 40s made me hate something. After some.
I told you number 8, boy, you didn't want to listen, boy. I told you number 9, boy. I told you that. I told you that.
With a bloody knife, wanna make records, but I'm up. I'm slipping, I'm falling, can't get up.
Hey yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. Hey yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. Hey yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I got to get up. Get back on my feet so I can tear shit. Hey yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. Hey yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. Hey yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I got to get up. Get back on my feet so I can tear shit.
Wasn't long before I hit rock bottom. Like damn, look how that got open like a window. No more endo. Look at a video, say to myself that could have been yo. On the TV, believe me.
I say right foot creep, ooh, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you. Catch them bad, walk down, face them with that heater. The devil under your feet, you on your way to see him. Stretch me when I can't sleep, bang on when I see you. Play with me, you can't sleep, we got into the C-shoe. You won't have no case, we range your shit soon as they face you. You won't have no space, we in your section till we spray you. Put your mask on, they coming off. Soon as they close that door, we just gon' walk down. They say we did wrong, cause we knocked him off. But he who got caught lacking, tell that bitch that that's his fault. If we draw down guns, get let off. And all them clowns, including his spouse. Kept that blick inside my drawers. Every time I walk the dog. I work for Tim and Soul CDs. You throw a diss and you get tossed. Say you ain't kissed that, cross my name up, ain't no talk. Get the head, like bang out at the stove from my pop out window. I can see a spout, but I ain't seen that since Jordan Dixon made some need some talk. Big foul, they got that shit on me and I'm stolo. Nigga knowing that it's retired. I spit that shit that caused a massacre at the powder. I say right foot creep, ooh, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you. Catch them bad, walk down, face them with that heater. The devil under your feet, you on your way to see him. Stretch me when I can't sleep, bang on when I see you. Play with me, you can't sleep, we got into the C-shoe. You won't have no case, we range your shit soon as they face you. You won't have no space, we in your section till we spray. When I jump out the bag, I'ma hit it. I'ma aim with the strap at his feet. Throwing out the murder bags in the city. Prime on play while I'm standing on Billy. Let the Drake take the top off the Henny. Fully equipped it when we go on a mission. Take his face, ain't showing no pity. Close case, tell him algorithms. Zombie land with a dog's percentage. Sprint a van and we all be in it. Catch him first, get a raw percentage. If you want, I put a coffin in it. I could get you one from inside my home. I just wanna take the bitch out for a tenant. Tell them niggas I say fuck them all. And I'ma kill all you bitches. I say right foot creep, ooh, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you. Catch them bad, walk down, face them with that heater. The The devil under your feet, you on your way to see him. Stress me when I can't sleep, bang out when I see you. Play with me, you can't sleep. We gun into the seashore. You won't have no case rearrange your shake soon as they face you. You won't have no space, we in your section till we spray you.
Hey, yo, Nash, you go crazy.
Yeah. Okay, green light. Pistol in the party don't seem right. Liver off that Molly can't think right. It's about to be a fucking green light. I get in my feelings off that hand, dog. I'm gonna be this way until the end, dog. I got too much on my mind and I cannot get it off. Gonna be a homicide before noon they take the good die young. Green light, the first ones to leave. Ace told me keep my scrap, but now he resting in peace. If I ever
BBB still.
Darkside.
Darkside, baby. You gonna get down and lay down, baby.
knocked out they socks when they get hit with that bike. Or they jumped out with that top to introduce them to that green light. Okay, green light. Pistol in the party don't seem right. Liver off that Molly can't think right. It's about to be a fucking green light. I get in my feelings off that hand, dog. I'm gonna be this way until the end, dog. I got too much on my mind and I cannot get it off. Gonna be a homicide before noon they take a loss. Green light. Fresh out of the county, my plans had went left. Fresh out of court, the crackers want me on the shelf. But I'ma keep going until it ain't nothing left. Brand new cutter, keep that bust shit to yourself. Little bro facing murder, the crackers ain't got nothing. Cause if they had something, you would've been gone. I see you when you get home. Tell a free Kareem, boy, I see you when you get home. Can't wait till we back to back in them benzos. No more being broken, it ain't no more poking windows. Remember bitches put me in the friend zone, but now I'm in the end zone. Brand new cutie patootie tryna FaceTime. I don't know who bitch, but she ain't mine. Heard through the grapevine, niggas plotting, robbing, and trying to take mine. Brand new chopper clip, got some hang time. Chris love the slang on. ATR for life, get down and lay down. ATR for life, get down. Okay, I'm fresh out of the bank with a 60K deposit. Trying to build my credit. These niggas buying watches. Niggas hating on the youngin', boy, you better watch it. Before I had your bitch on the island going shopping, get massages. Fast life living, might not make it to see Christmas, but won't miss Thanksgiving. The Diddy, the chasing chickens. Ain't nothing like these rappers, baby, I'm way different. I hang around the OGs, they be around fake niggas. I hang around the jits, but we kicking our game different. I hang around the jits, but we kicking our game different. Big banana clips for all of that monkey business. Look, you're not a grown impatient. Dreams come true.
What you gotta say, Rico?
Hey man, my starters getting out, you know what I'm saying? I'ma still do this shit.
But you kicking your game, man.
Darkside.
Coming soon, I can taste it. I can't sleep, no, I won't sleep. Till then, I can't sleep. Whoa, breathe, whoa, they can't breathe. No, they can't breathe. Not a grown impatient. Dreams come true, you gotta chase it. They don't give it to me, I'ma take it. Lord, I gotta make it. Time coming soon, I can taste it. Time coming soon, I can taste it. I can't sleep, no, I won't sleep. Till then, I can't sleep. Whoa, breathe, whoa, they can't breathe. No, they can't breathe, no. Come on, yeah. Real bottom boy survivor, nigga. 1324, now I got my shit out of the motherfucking mud, nigga. Real shit, nigga. I ain't flashing though. I'm just cooling right now. And ain't nobody with me around in the studio. And I'm just bored. I hope y'all waiting to hear from me. So, rich street nigga, I ain't tryna feel no sorrow. a fucking Monte Carlos.
Okay.
Get the dots on. I been on fleek, I'm poppin'. Not many run if you don't know it, help my pockets. Hey, my bro, take that Draco and go wildin'. Tryna grow up, don't come in contact with that violence. Violence should be played how I'm stylin'. Comment well, she like what picture, that ain't my bitch. Tired of the bayou, I won't take it out to New York and live a high life like a nigga signed with Hybrid. I flash out and take his head from out his body. I never once showed you that side, but that's who I'm is. I know I let that daddy spit on college. If I die right now, just check the stats and see how I did. I'm a real street nigga, yeah. I just pulled my red eye out and tried to stop a nigga. Where you going? I just walked outside my house and I'm on shot a nigga. Fuck my ex, I hope my next can probably top a nigga. Take me to a place I can't imagine. Victim of heartbreak and I'm so damaged. Stepping in blood with these thugs and I can't panic. Yeah, we knocked them off, nigga, what they got a handy. I just took the phone, went on the block and to the top off. Talking all this top